Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening YouTube while signed into the Google account that will be the family manager. Tap your profile, then paid memberships, and choose YouTube Premium Family. Enter the payment method when prompted. This is required to start the plan. Once done, name the family group and confirm the family manager role. Make sure each person has a Google account. You will invite up to 5 members. This step gets the plan active and prepares invitations in the next stage. Next, you send invitations from family settings inside Google Families via the link or direct email invites. Explain to recipients they must accept while signed into their Google account, otherwise acceptance fails. Once they accept, YouTube verifies location and eligibility. This avoids cross-country conflicts. If an invite stays pending, resend or cancel and re-invite. Make sure everyone completes acceptance and verifies any address prompts, so their accounts join the family. Finally, you confirm membership by checking each member's paid memberships page to see premium status. If someone is missing, ask them to sign out and sign back in, then accept the invite again. For billing issues, review the family manager's Google Payment Center and recent charges. Refunds or changes go through that account. If invites fail, clear browser cookies, use incognito, or check country settings. These steps resolve most acceptance and verification errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.